I'm going to start the tutorial with 3 plans, but I'm only going to use one plan, a 1968 Condi style plan, to do the tutorial with. First, the picture you see now is the 68 with the bridge that I'm going to use and the rosette that I'll be using for this design. This is the rosette, and this is the bridge that I'll be using, the practice bridge. Now, I'm trying to decide if I'm going to use this head design or one of my own head designs. I haven't decided yet. Now let's go to the 1959 pattern. You can see that this pattern has got different lengths of the fan braces that don't go all the way to the horizontal bar. This particular fan brace is shortened to drop the third string off to where it won't be so strident or high-pitched. It will actually cause the frequency to go down some for the third string, and the rest of these don't quite touch. This is the 1959. Now this top thickness on this 59 is about 2.5 millimeters, maybe just a little bit more. So that's quite thick for a Condi pattern that I've seen on most Condi guitars. Now we go over to a 1965 Condi style. It's still built by Faustino. The style is not the apprentice style, but the actual Faustino style Condi, or the Sobrinos de Domingo Esteso. So now we go back over. Oh, one thing. On this right here, we see that the 65 fan brace here on the bass side is longer past the bridge. We'll go back over to the 59 and see that the fan brace is just right at the end of the bridge, which is quite a bit shorter. I would say almost about a 1/4 inch, maybe a little more. So we go back over now to the 68 Condi, which has a little wider bout. I think almost the same size lower bout as the Reyes guitar. Whoops, that was almost a catastrophe, but not quite. Also, let's go down to this bass fan brace again and notice that unlike the 59 pattern, you'll see that the fan brace is longer than the bridge. Where the 59 is right here, we have this 68 longer. Also, you'll see this here should normally be about right there, so it has been shortened. On the bottom stiffener has been shortened some, most likely to improve the bass sound. And okay, now this is originally a 660 centimeter plane scale. I'm going to actually put a 655 millimeter plane scale on this. I'm going to shorten the guitar box to this green line to where it will fit the 655 millimeter scale perfectly, from going from the green line down here to the 19th fret. Okay, that's it for the first installment of this tutorial. and we'll go, I'll have to start making the guitar, and then we'll start, that's going to take some while, and then we'll go and start making the top, and then we'll do some things to the top that should be of interest, and I'll try to keep that straight, and let's make it an indicator of possibly where my fine-tuning is going to go with this pattern. Okay for now.